HRD Corp Grant Helper. How to submit grant applications for HRD Corp claimable courses.
Employers are required to apply for the grant at least 1 week before training commences. Employers must submit their applications with supporting documents, including invoices, quotations, trainer profiles, training schedule, and course content. You get all these documents from our staff or email us at sales@tertiarycourses.com.my. First, log into employer's eTRIS account. Second, click Application. Click Grant on the left side under Applications. Click Apply Grant on the left side under Applications. Click Apply. Choose a scheme code and select HRD Corp Claimable Courses, Skimbantuan Latihan Cause. Then, click Apply. Scheme code represents all types of training that suit the requirements provided by HRD Corporation. Below are the list of schemes offered by HRD Corp. Select your immediate officer and click Next. Select a training provider, then click Next. Please select a training program from the list, then key in all the required details and click Next. Select your desired training program. Give an explanation on why the participant is required to attend the training. Explain the background and objective of this training. Select a relevant focus area. If the training program is a microcredential program, you are required to complete these 3 fields. Save and click Next. Insert MICA's application number. Please select a course title and type of training. Select the correct type of training according to the actual type of training, or as mentioned in the training brochure. Please key in the training location and click Next. Please select the level of certification and click Next. Please follow the instructions and key in trainee details. Click Add Batch, then click Save. Click Add Trainee Details. Please key in all the required details, then click Add. Click Add if there are more participants. Once done, click Save. Click Next. Please key in the course fees and allowance details, then click Save. Estimated cost includes the course fees / external trainer fees, allowances, and consumable training materials. Please comply with the HRD Corp allowable cost matrix. Select upfront payment to training provider and key in the percentage from 0% to 30%. Then, click Save and Next. Complete the declaration form and select a desired officer. Add all the required documents, then click Add Attachment. Then, click Save and Submit Application. Once the new grant application is successfully submitted, the grant officer will evaluate the application accordingly. The application may be queried if additional information is required. The application status will be updated via the employer's dashboard, email, and the HRD's inbox. Thank you for watching. If you need any inquiries, please contact us at sales@tertiarycourses.com.my.